Things you don't want to hear when taking your clothes off for the doctor.
All right, please do.
If you'll just take your trousers off, please. Oh, sorry. Mrs. Phillips.
Weird things for a principal to say at a school assembly.
I've called this assembly to tell you this assembly has been canceled.
Times when a touchdown celebration isn't appropriate.
All right, Mrs. Johnson, push. That's it, baby. Push down. Push, push, push. Good. Push. Oh, good. Whoa!
Strange things to happen at a urinal.
Bum, 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 bum.